Something's cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah, with Klove Chef. So basically, what we want to also bring to light is basically the experience that we're trying to bring to everyone's household, everyone's kitchen with Klove Chef. So basically, Klove Chef is I would say, more of a voice-first platform for recipes. So what it does is actually helps you cook at home, gives you a lot more options as far as giving your dietary restrictions or preferences, and it really gives you step-by-step instructions on how to really execute any of these recipes, whether they're simple or complex or whatnot. And all depending on your, I guess, level of experience cooking-wise, it'll give you chef tips along the way, just to really help to tutor you and help you through the recipe, no matter how difficult it is or your level of expertise in cooking. So basically, right now, Klove Chef is available on Amazon Alexa. There she is. And basically, we're going to kind of walk through the recipe and just also see exactly how you can, cook with this at home. All you actually really have to say is, Alexa, open Klove Chef.
Welcome to Klove Chef. I'm your cooking assistant. What would you like to cook today?
Malabar paneer curry.
Okay, Malabar paneer curry provided by Global Belly. Shall we get started?
Yes.